Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Philips 8000 series soundbar and you need to do a hard reset on it. I'll put the specific model numbers in the description. You can check it out. But anyways, if you're having any issues with it not connecting or not responding or it connecting to the wrong device, just any kind of troubleshooting issues, a lot of them can be fixed with a hard reset and it's pretty easy to do. And we're going to do it straight from the remote control. So what we're going to do is with the speaker in standby mode, we're going to go ahead and come in here and press the left arrow, the right arrow, and the volume down button all simultaneously. We're just going to press and hold those three buttons simultaneously until the word reset shows up on the display of the soundbar. Once the reset shows up on the display of the soundbar, we can let go of the buttons and allow the reset to complete. Once it's completed, we can turn the soundbar back on, and then we can re-pair it to whichever devices we want to use it on.